Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade Filmora 13 to the latest version, Filmora 14. It's very easy, so let's get started. First, open your current Filmora software. Head over to the Help menu and click on About to check the version you are currently using. Make sure it's version 13, as this guide is specifically dedicated to upgrade from version 13 to version 14. Okay, and you click this Check for Updates button. Okay, before upgrading, remember it's always a good idea to back up all your projects, save your project's files to a safe location so you don't lose any of your work during the update process. Next, visit the official Filmora website at filmora.wondershare.com. I will be leaving the link to the software below. Head over to the download or upgrade page. You will find the latest version of Filmora available for download. Okay, so usually it's located here. You need to click on it. Okay, now click the download button and Filmora 14 will automatically begin the installation on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, as downloaded file size may be quite large. Okay, so it might take some time before it's been finished. Okay, so once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double click in to begin the installation, the usual way as you're doing with any other software. Okay, follow on the screen instructions, accept the terms and conditions, and choose where you want to install Filmora 14. This will upgrade your existing Filmora 13 to the new version. Okay, so it will override everything what's already there. If you're using Filmora 13, the Filmora 14 download will override this. That's why it's very important actually to go and save everything before you do that. Okay, because you might lose some of your file. Okay, so once the installation is complete, just go and open Filmora 14 once again. Okay, now open the Filmora, but now instead of Filmora 13, you're gonna see the logo of Filmora 14. You might need to log in with your existing account to activate the software, so make sure that you use the same credentials as you use for Filmora 13. Okay, so all the details from your account will be transferred over into the new downloaded Filmora 14 version. Okay, it's always a good idea to double check that you are running the latest version. You can go to the Help menu and click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, install them to ensure you have the most recent features and fixtures. Okay, I have the latest version. You are using the latest version, check out the new 14.0.8. It's gonna be then after 14.1 or 14.2 anything like that, but for the moment everything is automatically been downloaded. That's the most up-to-date version. That's what you want to see on your screen. Okay, now that you upgraded to Filmora 14, everything what it comes with the Filmora 14 will be available for you. Okay, so let's take a moment and explore the new features. Okay, so you will notice a smoother interface, enhanced editing tools, and more effects to make your video stand out. Okay, when you click on it here, you're gonna see so many different features being added on. Smart short clips here, very interesting. I already tested them yesterday and they're very cool, and I want to create some videos about it as well. And a few other features which previously were not available now are available here under the Filmora AI section. Okay, and it's quite interesting what those features can do for you. Okay, I'll be creating some of those videos to show you that what's possible with this new Filmora 14 version. Okay, and that's it. Upgrading Filmora is simple and easy. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.